Super weather.
Another weekend of weather whiplash expected here across the area. Today it's a warm, windy one. Morning clouds will give way to afternoon sunshine. Then a cold front barrels its way in for us as we move towards the latter half of today. And that spreads in much colder air by the time we get towards your Sunday. High temperatures tomorrow back into the 40s with a blustery north wind. And then getting into next week, extreme cold, the coldest so far of this season, going to be arriving. And we're also watching the potential for some winter precip to arrive as we push towards Tuesday evening. This is what it looks like for today. We've got the low clouds and the fog to start, but eventual sunshine with us as we get towards the midday and afternoon. And temperatures out ahead of the front today are going to be quite warm. We'll see highs into the low 70s this afternoon. Front gets here as we get towards the latter half of the afternoon, and then behind it, temperatures will tumble. And we've got the colder air settling in tonight and into tomorrow. High temperatures today. This is at 3 o'clock this afternoon. We're in the low 70s from DFW to points to the south, areas to the north where the front is already starting to move in, starting to see those numbers fall. We're in the 60s in spots like Gainesville, Sherman, and Denton. You see the cloud cover. It's extensive as we're starting the day. Some spotty showers across areas to our east still possible. Still could see some of that even as we head towards the mid-morning time period. And then everyone's dry by lunchtime. Cold front will start to approach the region. It moves through the afternoon hours, and then beyond that, those numbers will start to fall with our winds shifting in out of the north. Tonight, we're down to 29, still quite blustery in through the overnight hours and getting into early tomorrow morning. And because of that, that's sending down our wind chill values into the teens in many spots. This is Sunday, 7 o'clock in the morning, and look at that, 16, the feels like temperature in McKinney. 18 for you in Fort Worth. So it's going to be a cold start first thing tomorrow morning. Despite the fact we've got a lot of sunshine, it's going to be a brisk day with those north winds persisting. Highs tomorrow just in the 40s. As we look further down the pipeline into next week, the coldest air of the season arriving for us by the midweek. We've got the potential for some rain to start on Tuesday, but with the colder air coming in quickly behind it, we could see this transition to an icy mix by Tuesday evening. Just how much moisture will there be available? Still question mark there, and that's something we'll be fine-tuning in the days ahead. But look at the temperatures as we get towards Wednesday morning, just in the teens here across the region.
Sign up for super weather.